Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so what we can do is, what if we want to add in a margin as well? So if we can go ahead, we can actually add in a margin. And remember how we do that. We add in the semicolon, and then we add in the margin, and then 20 pixels. Okay, but let's make it 50 pixels. Just because it's a lot of fun. And there you can see that 60 pixels is now there. Okay, so you're probably wondering why this align right is after all of this style. And the reason is that you want to think of, if I highlight all of this, you want to think of all of this as one block. And if this wasn't here, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it. That's what would end up happening. Okay, and as you can see at the bottom here, the style just is completely taken out of the table. So if we put it back in there, the style is then put in the table. All right, now also the margin here, we're going to actually have to specify as right, because right now it's putting basically a 50 pixel margin up and down. So margin right, 50 pixels, and then a line like that. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.